JetSoftPro is your premier global software development partner in aerospace and defense sectors. And here are 8 reasons why. We deliver tailored solutions to national-level organizations with very specific security and operational needs. We have wide experience working with drones and robots. For example, our team developed FPV drone control platforms and AI-driven UAV swarm technology. You can save lives with our military vehicle simulators and virtual reality solution for combat skills training. We are experts in cybersecurity. Our portfolio includes multi-factor authentication solutions, physical presence verification apps, and cyber audits for enterprises. We can take care of large volumes of your data using our products that provide enterprise-level logistics and security, such as task management solutions and ERP systems. Also, we have a range of products for working in complex conditions. Among our solutions are air raid alerts, telecommunication data collection, and remote health monitoring. We actively involve proven AI engines to improve projects. In particular, we will offer you an AI solution of skill assessment and psychological support. At JetSoftPro, we work with the architecture of solutions necessary for the aerospace and defense industries. We have experience in system-level design solutions and IP cores generation, including fast orthogonal transformation IP cores and data protection IP cores. If you are looking for a software development partner for your defense or aerospace project, rely on us. This is a bet to win. Contact us today to bring your vision to life.